Day 5 of converting this van into a camper van. Previously I was working on the kitchen unit and Adam was carpeting the walls. Today the final flooring finally arrived, so I laid it out and put the van floor on top to trace around, and then using scissors I carefully cut the vinyl to size. Once done, I installed the floor into the van. I neatly tucked the carpet underneath and then screwed the floor in. To install the vinyl, you need a good coat of spray glue onto both surfaces and then fit into place and smooth out so there is no air bubbles. Repeat this process until the floor is in place, and it should look like this when it is finished. I then started putting together the frame for our double chair, and then cut to size the front panel from plywood and attached it with wood glue and screwing it into the back. Follow for day 6, where I will finish building the walls for the chair, the inner walls for the kitchen unit and the kitchen unit doors.